there, it's me, Jelly. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we are going to do a try-on clothing haul. And these are the clothes that I bought from Shopee and Shein. Maybe I'll do a part 2 for this video because I wasn't able to include all the clothes dahil yung iba nasa dorm and ngayon nandito ako sa Bulacan. And some of the clips going to be shown in this video are already pre-shoot before, you know, quarantine things happen. And I just had the time ngayon lang para ma-compile at ma-edit lahat yun. So, without further ado, let's get into the video!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand.
So that would be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to give this video a like. Comment down below if you have any video suggestions you want me to do next. And of course, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are still not subscribed to my channel. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!